Marami nagtataka kung bakit mas maganda daw to kaysa dito. This is the Huawei FreeBuds 6i. Less than 5,000 lang siya. That is 300% less than the Apple AirPods Pro 2 na worth 15,000 pesos. Ang sabi ni Huawei, same performance daw. Much better ANC, but much more affordable than the AirPods Pro 2. Also much more comfortable, mas pangmatagalan, and absolutely looks the same as the AirPods Pro 2 din. And guys, hindi lang siya less than 5,000, less than... Ito ang box. High-res wireless audio na pala siya. This thing has intelligent dynamic ANC 3.0, ultra-magnetic driver with punchy bass, at 35 hours of playback with the case. Inside, we're getting the actual unit. Meron pa siyang 3 different tips nakasama within the box. Here's the product, FreeBuds 6i. Kaya siguro siya FreeBuds kasi parang feeling ko kapag suot mo siya, free na free ka talaga. Ito first impression. Kakasuot ko lang, parang sobrang komportable niya. I just don't feel like there's something na napasok sa tenga ko. Parang naging part siya ng tenga ko. That's how it feels. Now, the AirPods Pro 2 kind of feels a little bit bulky, no? Parang pagpasok sa tenga mo, parang hindi siya swak sa butas ng tenga. And at times, lumalabas siya from my ear. Ito, kahit pang matagalan, hindi siya nagsislide out sa ear ko. Also, when I'm doing this vigorous movement, hindi siya natatanggal sa tenga. It's still in place. Perfect for all you TikTokers out there. Tas guys, yung casing, napaka-compact niya, napaka-sexy, kasyang-kasya sa mga kahit sobrang liit or masikip na pockets. Ayan po yung itsura. Oval yung shape niya, parang clamshell. Very minimalistic, very clean look. Huawei logo, merong LED indicator na color green. Tapos sa side, meron siyang button dito pang pair. Sa ilalim is yung kanyang USB Type-C na port. Now just like the AirPods Pro 2, meron na rin po siyang charger na casing, which extends the battery life of the earbuds. Now the AirPods Pro 2 casing is quite heavy. Kay Huawei FreeBuds 6i, napakagaan. Parang free na free ka talaga sa galawan. Parang halos walang weight. Feather light. Eto, mabigat pa sa bulsa. Mabigat talaga sa bulsa. Double meaning! Very light din po yung mga earbuds. And the comfort level, kung auditorin nyo, rating from 1 to 10, this one is an 11. So comfortable in your ears. Ito hindi ako siya big fan talaga ng mga earbuds kasi nga very uncomfortable when wearing them for long periods of time. Medyo sensitive na kasi yung ears ko. But you know, if you find something like this na sobrang comfortable sa ears nyo, you will find yourself using them more frequently. Watching YouTube, Netflix, Viva. Kahit sa labas ka, sa cafe ka, while watching your favorite Viva star, you will never be heard by anyone. It's all private at malakas pa ang tunog. Mas feel mo ang aksyon kasi sa Viva Films kasi marami namang films. Bang inisip mo? Isa lang ba yung kategory? But yes, listening to music on this thing is just such a joy. Because finally, you're getting really good sound quality at the same time, extreme comfort. Now that's something na hindi mo talaga makuha on something like the AirPods Pro 2. Na feeling ko baka saglit lang mairita na yung inyong tenga. Di kaya dahil to sa quality of the plastic? Not sure. Malaki lang talaga ang AirPods Pro 2. Too big for my ears. Also, gamit na gamit po siya ni Jack, yung aming bagong creator. Mahilig siya mag-TikTok. And ito yung kanyang experience. Mas feel na feel niya ang kanyang pagsayaw. Kasi nga parang, alam mo yun, yung parang ANC. Ayan dyan. Parang hindi niya na-feel na maraming tao nakatingin sa kanya. May ingay sa background. It just feels so natural to dance. Now, the ANC or the active noise cancellation has these 3 things. Meron siyang 3 mic system, 2.4 times higher computing power, at meron pa siyang bagong 11mm quad magnet dynamic driver. Pero, ang sabi daw ni Huawei, mas matindi daw ang kanyang noise cancellation compared kay Apple AirPods Pro 2. The Huawei FreeBuds 6i is the strongest noise cancellation performance among the products at the same price segment. In any earbuds, up to 5 kHz ANC frequency range, it is the best alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Feel the immersion with the ANC. Kunwari, nasa cafe ka, maraming tao, someone is sipping their coffee and then typing on their laptop, guys, ikaw naka-zen mode ka lang. Halos naka-immerse ka lang sa music mo. You will never feel like you're in a cafe. Parang sobrang zen ang feeling. Yung nga lang kapag may kausap ka sa cafe, hindi mo siya maririnig. Yun ang problema. So, kailangan mag-wave siya sa harap mo para maintindihan ka. Ito syempre, nasa metro ka, nag-travel ka, sa train, maingay yung mga katabi mo. Tapos naka-sandwich ka na. Mga mama, nakadikit sa'yo, pawis na pawis. Okay lang, water resistant naman siya. Hindi nga lang siyang smell resistant. Pero yun, hindi mo maririnig ang pag-ipit ng iyong bones. Pero para sa mga gusto mag-travel dyan, sa airport cabin kayo, syempre maingay yung engine ng airplane. So, mataas pa yung hindi mo marinig ito guys, no? Kung ayaw mo marinig yung masyadong matinis, masyadong maingay na tunog ng engine ng airplane, you must have ANC from the FreeBuds 6i. Pero tanggalin mo siya kapag dumating yung stewardess. Now, na-try na namin yung kanyang noise cancellation and it's just one of the best out there. Talagang matindi, no? Kahit nasa labas ka maingay, parang feeling nasa loob ka na isang kwarto na walang ingay, ikaw lang, parang isolated talaga yung pakiramdam. It kind of makes you feel that you're very immersed sa music or movie na pinapanood mo. Ibang-iba talaga yung feeling. So what about the microphone? Is it actually good? Ito na. So tinest namin siya sa Messenger and ito yung kanyang sound quality. Oh my God. Sobrang klaro niya, sobrang buo ng boses, especially kapag sa earpiece mo siya pinapakinggan. And look at the freedom that I'm showing. Dati kasi, parang ang hirap na hirap ka na kailangan mo i-ganon yung microphone sa big mo. Guys, look at this. Walang wire and I'm walking left to right. Buong-buo pa rin yung aking sound quality. Ganyan po. I would have to say na sobrang linaw, sobrang ganda talaga ng kanyang microphone. Pero na, itong earphones na to, para to sa kabataan talaga na mahilig mag-party, mag-TikTok, manood ng mga movies, even gaming, no? Alam ko marami sa inyo ay gamers din dyan. So perfect na perfect siya for many young people just like you. At syempre, sa mga young people just like you, perfect din yung budget na to para sa'yo. Now, kinonect ko si FreeBuds 6i sa aking Huawei P60 Pro. Sana i-upgrade ni Huawei to Pure 70 Ultra. Baka naman. Na mabilis na yung pairing niya, no? Na in-on ko lang yung kanyang Bluetooth and in-open ko lang to. Lumabas agad yung connect or pair with the FreeBuds 6i. And of course, with it, meron siyang extra settings dito to further control the earbuds. Isa pang gusto ko dito is kanyang gestures. It's got some pretty nice gestures that make things a lot more convenient. Feels like magic kapag ka in-swipe up mo, tataas yung volume, swipe down, bababa yung volume. Pag dinouble tap mo, magpa-play yung music or magpa-pause yung music. Tapos kapag ka triple tap, mag-skip siya ng next music. Tapos kapag hinold mo, guys, shortcut para i-turn on or off yung kanyang noise cancellation. And we are getting firmware updates din. Kala nyo, pagbili nyo, wala na, no? Pero meron siya. Just not sure how frequent the updates will be. Now, the Huawei FreeBuds 6i is only, well, actually, less than 5,000 pesos. Sorry, ang last ng boss ko. Naka-noise cancelling kasi ako. Claim your 1K early bird voucher starting July 30 to August 7 from Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and Huawei Store. Pwede mong gamitin from August 6 to 7. But yes, you don't even have to buy something like the AirPods Pro 2 to enjoy amazing noise cancellation. Guys, 15,999 to. Tapos, same lang noise cancellation. Almost same sound quality. So, kung sa inyo guys, be smarter. Just like me. Mag-follow ka na lang sa akin para malaman mo na meron palang ganitong mura at kasing ganda ng mga Apple products like the Huawei FreeBuds 6i. Kaya subscribe ka na, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our great content and you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh.